Hello, I'm alongside of Dr. Burujerdi, one of the important players in this industry. Would you please introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Javad Burujerdi. I started this business about 20 years ago, and I am the CEO of the company. I have a product that's called ePoll that we will discuss about this more in details.
Okay, your company is the assets, it's a valuable asset for marketing research companies.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Would you please give us some information about how would you help to this industry?
Okay. One of the important things in the market research is gathering the data from the market. As you know, this gathering data is very costly. You have to send some people and persons to the shops, different places to interview with the people or go to the stores and see the products and write down the information. And these things, if it's supposed to happen in the old way, it means with the paper-based, it will be very costly, and there are a lot of issues in this matter. We develop a software called ePoll that help people when they want to gather the data, it may be online or offline. Online means when you go and visit somewhere or interview somebody, you can ask questions and answer the question right away, and the answer will go to the server and you can see the result right away. Or maybe you can go some places that there is no internet connection, or go to downstairs that there's no coverage for the internet. So you have to do it offline. It means you answer the question and save it on the tablet or your mobile, and whenever the internet connection is on, so the result will send to the server.
Is this idea came from the abroad, or you find this need and created this company?
Actually, about 25 years ago, we think about this idea that everyone that can do the poll, I say poll means a form that is only 1 or 2 questions. They can do it without writing code. It means everyone can create a form or poll. This idea, it's about 25 years ago. But right now that I'm talking to you, although the product called ePoll, it means electronic polling, but we support 25 different question templates. It means many questions, many type of questions that you can do it in the survey. It's not a poll for example, for 4 choices that you can choose one of them. It can many type of question, single question, multi-question, text box, slider bar, and metric questions, email questions, address. These are the type of the questions that we have it. But at that time, we only think about only poll.
If you want to compare your company with the other companies in the global market,
yeah,
what's the difference between your assets and their assets?
Actually, when we start this project, about 4 or 5 companies have a product on that. But when we developed them, maybe they were faster than us, but every time we watch them and we see the features that develop on the market, but because we were in Iran, market research companies has their own difficulties and problems. About 5 years ago, we joined with two market research companies, and we involved with them to solve the problems. At that time, ePoll changed rapidly with the point of market research problems, because they said, okay, we have this problem in the market research when we're collecting the data, so we should give them the solution for them. So right now, maybe more than 60 or 70% of the big market research companies use ePoll as their platforms to collect the data. And I say that it only happened because we understand their needs very carefully.
And do you have any plan to go to the global market or not?
Yes, of course, but it's very difficult, you know. Technically, it's not difficult for us because we know that our competitors, which features they have, but in the aspect of the marketing, yes, we have a lot of issues that we should pass them. Yeah.
Thank you. Do you want to add something in our interview?
I just want to thanks for this opportunity that you gave us to have interview with you, and also thanks for this conference that I meet a lot of people, a lot of market research companies that I only talk with them and I never see them. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.